Alright guys, this video right here is only for 4th generation Ram 1500 trucks, alright? Alright, so you're here because your rear end is making a noise. Okay, I got a couple videos here coming up. I want you to watch them. I want you to listen to them. Alright, if your truck is making that same exact noise around the same time, alright, I got a fix for your problem. Alright, I know exactly what that noise is. Exactly. And you'd be surprised, alright? You'd think it's coming from the rear. You'd think it's coming from up here, right? You'd think it's coming from the brakes or the wheels or the axle in there. But you know what? You'd be wrong, all right? So watch and listen, and I'll give you the solution. Oh yeah, and it's not the hill start assist, all right? That's not the problem. It's not a body mount, all right? So here we go. Alright, since I don't want to waste your time, that noise was coming from my control arms, alright? These things right here, the stock ones, alright? What I think happened is these bolts came loose, alright? They weren't torque tight enough, alright? So the control arm was moving in there and making noises, that crackling noise, popping, clunking, you know, it sounded like it was coming from all over the truck. Swear, it took a little while to figure this out. You know, I'm glad I got it figured out, but it sounded like it was coming from the rear end. Sounded like it was coming from the freaking wheels. You know, it sounded like it was coming up front, you know, but come to find out, it was just these control arms, and I think all of mine were loose. All right, now shit happens, all right? That's just the way it is, but glad I figured that out. Now the next time, all right, I know I've just got to tighten them up a little bit, right? On these ones, I won't have to do that because they're badass, all right, versus the OEM ones. But the OEM ones, you probably just need to go under there if you hear that sound. Tighten them bolts up, right there. All right, you need to get the right torque specifications. I don't have that on me on hand, all right? I have the torque specs for this, and I know it's a lot less than the factory, all right? This is like 125. Factory is way up there, all right? It takes quite a bit to squeeze them control arms, you know, to keep them from moving. And you got to understand, the rear ends on these trucks articulate a whole lot. So the OEM, you know, control arms are only going to go so far. You know what I mean? Look, let's go check them out right now. All right, check this out right here. This is a lower control arm, but if you look here, all right, when you tighten it up, okay, just imagine your fingers squeezing the crap out of this, okay? Now, it's not supposed to move here, all right, but that rubber right there allows for the movement. Once this gets to moving, that's when you get the noise. This is not supposed to be moving in there. And when it does, you get a little noise. This bushing looks like it's going, but it's not completely gone. You know, it still has some miles on it right there. Not that bad, you know. Yes, that's getting some right there. But this right here, you can just see how it's been rubbing in there. All of them are like that. They've been grinding and rubbing in there. And that's that noise I was hearing. That grinding, rubbing, and they're loose, so it's clanking. All right, you get it now? Give it a shot, you know what I mean? Get up in there and tighten them up. If you got the same exact sound, try to tighten them up. But do understand that you might have one that's blowed out, right, and it needs to be replaced, all right? And it does have to be torqued correctly. If you do not torque it correctly, you're just going to have problems again, all right? It's just the way it is, okay? That's it. That's the solution. It's your control arms, all right? So as crazy as it might seem, you know, someone will tell me, hey, no, it's this. Hey, no, it's that. It's your rear end, you know, it's in your tranny. Oh, you just got to grease this. It's your hill assist. False. Right? That noise that I was having, that I noticed a lot of other people have, all right, is coming from the freaking control arms, all right? They're not torqued enough or they're bad. Give it a shot, all right? Come back and tell me what you find. All right, I'm not going to bullshit you. That noise has been there, you know, I'd say since around 5,000 miles. All right, it crept up on me and it was you know, it was something that was off and on, and then it kind of stayed, right? And I tried to hit it with WD-40. I hit WD-40 all over it. The noise went away, right? But then it like created a new noise. It turned into a clunk, right? And I was like, what the hell? You know what I mean? I replaced one side, right? And then half the noise went away, all right? And then I replaced the other side, right, with the new control arms, and all the noise went away. And it was wondrous. It was like a dream come true. It was like driving around a brand new truck. You know, it's great, right? And I did it myself. So, you know, that was 900 horsepower to the self-esteem. So that's excellent. All right. So there it is. I hope this fixes your problem. Peace.